Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to access your notes on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber application and take a look at your chat list on the main screen. You should be able to see an option called My Notes right there among your conversations. If you spot it, simply tap on it and you'll be taken directly to your Notes section where you can view, create, and manage all your saved notes within Viber. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of important information, reminders, or quick thoughts without leaving the app. However, if you don't immediately see My Notes on your main chat screen, don't worry, there's another simple way to access it. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice a navigation bar with several options. Go ahead and tap on More, which is typically located at the bottom right corner of your interface. This will open up additional features and settings that aren't displayed on the main screen. Once you tap More, you'll be taken to a new menu with various Viber features and options. From here, scroll down through the list until you find My Notes. The option should be clearly labeled and easy to spot as you scroll. When you see it, tap on My Notes and you'll instantly gain access to your Notes section. This is where all your saved notes are stored and you can start creating new ones, editing existing notes, or organizing them however you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your notes on Viber, giving you quick access to all your important information whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.